Hello my dear friend, welcome again to this channel. My name is Teacher Danson Dani and I normally provide YouTube tutorials on how to grow channels. I also provide some basic cyber tricks. So my dear friend, if maybe this is your first time seeing me here, you can just go ahead and do what? Tap the word subscribe below this video for you to be getting the latest videos that I normally upload each and every day. So my dear friend, if maybe you're viewing this video in TikTok, you might realize that you're encountering challenges in subscribing or liking this video. So simple, go to your YouTube app and search Teacher Danson. You'll see all my videos there. You can now go ahead and do what? Subscribe from that far end. Now today, my dear friend, without wasting time, I want to show you, I want us to learn on how to do what? On how to link two phones in such a two phones in such a way that we can monitor and see all the activities of our own partners, our own children, so that we can do what? Know what is going on. Very simple. Now my dear friend, no tricks that are required, but it's very simple. That is, by the end of this video you will be in a position of doing it, seeing and learning it and appreciating it. So my dear friend, if you have not yet subscribed, tap the word subscribe for you to be getting the latest videos that I normally upload each and every day. So without wasting time, my dear friend, I want us to go to our WhatsApp. Go to your WhatsApp, the phone that you want to link, the phone that you want to use it to link to the other phone. So immediately, you are on your WhatsApp, you are going to see that dashboard. So that is how it will be on my WhatsApp, my dear friend. As you can see from my screen there is the three dots that are at the far end there, the far corner. So what will you do? Tap the three dots at the far end, my dear friend. You'll see something like new group, new broadcast, linked devices, starred messages, and settings. So do what? Tap the word settings. Immediately you tap the word settings, my dear friend, that is what will be displayed. So you'll see account, privacy, avatar, lists. Don't do anything but go to the accounts. Now my dear friend, in the accounts, that is where I want you to be very keen, because you're going to see something like security notification, passkeys, email. Leave it all that, but go to the second last option that is written add an account. Go ahead and add an account, and that is what will display. So tap the plus button and add another account. Wait it to load. And now my dear friend, after waiting until it load, this is what it will display. It will show you something like that add another account. Add an account. So without wasting time, my dear friend, you just go ahead and do it. Agree and continue. After agreeing and continue, my dear friend, this is what will be displayed. That enter your phone number. Now my dear friend, in this case, don't enter any phone number, but instead tap the three dots at the far end. Immediately you tap the three dots at the far end, my dear friend, you'll see something like link as companion device and help. Now my dear friend, from that side you just link it as our companion. Now my dear friend, a QR code will be displayed. So my dear friend, if you feel this video is very interesting, kindly give it a like, and I will really appreciate. Now my dear friend, immediately a QR code is displayed like this. You just take the other phone that you want to link it, and you go and do as I will show you. Now my dear friend, after taking the other phone, what you do, you just open it again, and you'll tap the three dots that are at the far end again. After tapping the three dots at the far end, my dear friend, from that side it will be very simple, because you're seeing something like advertisement, new group, new broadcast, but instead go straight to an area where you are seeing something like linked devices. Go and tap the linked devices, and in that case, my dear friend, that is what will be displayed. So go ahead and do what? Link a device. Now my dear friend, after linking a device, you will be told to do what? Connect to Wi-Fi to continue. But instead of connecting to a Wi-Fi, you just use a what? Mobile data. After using a mobile data, it will be ready to scan a QR code, so you just press an OK. Now my dear friend, after pressing an OK, that is what will be. A QR code will be ready, will be displayed like that. So it will be upon you to do what? To go ahead. It will be upon you to go ahead and do what? To scan the QR code that was displayed on the other end. So it will be very simple, my dear friend. From there, you will be in a position of monitoring all the activities of your child or maybe your wife. Now in that case, my dear friend, it will be very simple, because you're going to realize that maybe your partner, that is maybe your husband or your wife, maybe his or her phone is running out of power. So what will happen? Out of charge, what will happen? He or she will be in a position of using your phone. Use it in a way that it will do what? It will help to strengthen your relationship, but don't use it in another way, because it's going to cause some chaos whereby you're going to ruin your relationship, and it will do what? It will bring some issues at home, or maybe the way you are related. Now you're going to realize that immediately he notices that, or maybe you start playing some monkey businesses there, maybe replying to his or her chats, reading them without allowing him or her to read before. That way he or she will be in a position of noting that there is somebody who is controlling my WhatsApp. So use it in a way that will help you, that will bring or yield something nice, instead of doing what? Ruining the relationship that you might be having. But if you felt this video is very, or you fully understood, kindly give this video a like. I will really appreciate. You can just share it to your friend whom you will be wishing him or her to know this. You can also give it a comment if maybe you have any question, you want anything that I do next related to WhatsApp, or maybe you encountered challenges and you want them to be sorted. You can just write it there in the comment section and I'm gonna reply immediately. My dear friend, thank you very much. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you tap the word subscribe below this video for you to be getting the latest videos that I normally upload each and every day. Bye bye. Let's meet in the next video.
In the world of hacking, knowledge is power. Effective hackers understand the significance of research in their endeavors. They invest time in studying the target systems, technologies, and attack surfaces. By collecting information from various sources, they gain a comprehensive understanding of potential weaknesses and avenues for exploitation. Research is the backbone of successful hacking, providing valuable insights that guide the entire process.